Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial of SlimComputer. Developed by Slimware Utilities, SlimComputer is a point-and-click cleaning utility. It can clean any PC, but it's specially designed to clean up a new computer. SlimComputer uses community-sourced feedback to optimize a new computer. Since new PCs come preloaded with promotional software, ad links, trials, and toolbars, SlimComputer removes the unneeded programs, actively slimming down your new machine to make it run fast and clean, like it's supposed to. To get started, just launch SlimComputer. Right off the bat, you can see how easy the program is to navigate. On the left are the main tools, set into these tabs. When it first opens, SlimComputer places you on the main cleanup tool. Right away you can get a grasp of how your computer is performing. There are two gauges set right into the program. The big one shows CPU processing that's underway, or how much your computer's power is being used. As I do things on the PC, the number will change. The smaller one shows the RAM usage. This percentage shows how much of the total virtual memory is being used. Also, down here in the left are quick readouts about the computer. They tell you about the operating system that's installed, as well as whether it's a 32 or 64-bit system. Each one's a link. Click it, and it opens the Windows system information, which can give you more details about the system at hand. Alright, for this demo, we're just going to go over the main cleanup tool and the restore tool. This is the part that helps anyone clean off unwanted software or functions from their PC, especially if they've just gotten a new computer and it came preloaded with the things that were installed by computer manufacturers or vendors. Up front you can see there are 4 sections in the main scan: Applications, Toolbars, Startup Items, and Shortcuts. These sections correspond to the 4 things that are most frequently found on new computers, especially those that are installed by computer retailers. Okay, so I've got a check mark in each of the boxes beside these sections. If I didn't want to scan one of the sections, I can remove that check. Let's say I didn't want to scan Startup Items. I just uncheck it and run Scan. Now I'm going to scan everything right now, just to see what we have. As you can see, the scan is fast. It's going to go through the sections one by one and yield a results bar. The 4 sections are now laid out at the top as tabs. Everything detected has been laid out in the results bar. If I want to get more information about a certain section, I just click the results bar and it scrolls down and then it has a description. I can get it back by clicking the description bar and it rolls back up. Here we see the results for the Applications tab. Now, the scan didn't find all the applications on the computer. It just found those things that are most commonly rated as unuseful or unwanted. You can see that rating here. On our rating scale, it goes from red to green. Pretty straightforward. If it's more on the red scale, it means it's less useful, unwanted, or potentially harmful. These are programs that are potentially useful to some people, but just aren't necessary for the computer to run. We've listed them here with the orange optional, indicating that none are harmful. In fact, they could have varied uses, but they're just not necessary, and often the services they provide can be supplied by other, more resource-light features. If you want to have a clean, slim, fast computer, the idea is to get rid of all the extras that just aren't necessary. You probably noticed that if you hover over the ratings bar, you can actually rate this yourself. Here's where SlimComputer's exclusive community-sourced technology comes into play. SlimComputer uses its active feed to the Slimware Utilities cloud to get all of its ratings. The cloud itself is a data center that is constantly getting new information and then relaying that information to the program. It's not like a once-in-a-while update, but an up-to-the-minute feed of information. SlimComputer can then use that information to set application ratings. Since the ratings are specific to the applications on your PC, all suggestions are personalized for your computer. This means that anyone who has SlimComputer can actually rate the programs they see on the list. This includes all our users and our technicians. If you wanted to rate something yourself, just click on Rate This. A little evaluation box comes up. Here you can just rate sliding on a scale. Green for good, orange for optional, red for unwanted. Once you set the scale, you can designate what type of software it is. And you can give a quick reason as to why you rated it like you did. You can even add comments down here at the bottom, or ask a question. When you click these, it opens a web page on SlimComputer's website where you can feed information directly into the cloud. This is why SlimComputer is a community-supported program. It uses the constant input from its users to make it better and more accurate. When you're done, click Save. Or, if you just decide to change your mind, X out. By default, any ratings you supply will be anonymous, but we encourage you to be part of our active network of contributors. You can sign into your account by clicking Login at the top. All you have to do is enter your registered username and password, and SlimComputer will record your opinions. If you don't have an account, simply click Create a Slimware Utilities account. It takes less than a minute to set up and it's completely free, without any obligation or need to divulge personal info. We're not out to advertise to you. We just want you to have the opportunity to express yourself. When you've entered your login data, click Login, or if you change your mind, just click Cancel. Also, if you want to know anything about these items in detail, just click on the little information badge. This will open up a web page about that program, our toolbar, our service, providing more information about what you're dealing with. Next, toolbars, laid out the exact same way. Here we have the Google toolbar, not malicious in the least, but it doesn't add that much functionality to searching the web, so we recommend slating it for removal. Next, startup items. SlimComputer is only going to list those startup items that are not vital to system operation. This means that it only lists things that are safe to disable. Startup items are a big part of what slows down a computer, especially at boot up. If your computer takes a long time to turn on, it's probably because there are lots of programs that are set to run on boot when they don't need to. And finally, shortcuts. All those advertising and demo links that are put into the desktop or the start menu. As before, SlimComputer only makes recommendations that are reviewed and that are the best fit for your computer. I can control everything that actually gets removed or gets changed. Even though SlimComputer only makes suggestions that are safe, I can still customize a given section by unchecking the boxes beside items I want to be left alone. Just remove checks beside something, and SlimComputer won't remove or change it. I can say, don't install this, don't change this. When you're ready to go, just click Remove. And there it goes. Okay. SlimComputer will go through and systematically begin all of the uninstalls. You'll probably see several uninstall wizards pop up. Go through each one and opt to uninstall what it suggests. When you're finished with the removal, SlimComputer leaves the results just as you set them. Now, you can do a couple of things at this point. You can go back and start the scan over again, or if you change your mind about something, you can access the Restore tool. Here you see the same 4 tabs laid out, in this case listing everything that I actually disabled or removed. If you want to restore something, it's just a reverse process. Click those items you want to put back or re-enable, and click Restore Selected. And that's it for the main cleanup. Easy, huh?